Quarterly earnings growth is up 233% year over year. Earnings is what propels a stock upwards.
Please subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today's Money Making Monday, May 19th. And in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the play, please hammer like. We delve into Friday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow rose 0.78% to settle at 42,654, the Dow. The Nasdaq closed up 0.5% at 19,211. The Nasdaq S&P rose 0.7% at 5,958, the S&P. Apple begging to differ. Apple fell 0.09% at 211.26. The big winner on the day was AFMD. AFMD spiked a whopping and epic and eye-popping 228% to settle at 27 cents. Higher day was an incredible 57 cents. The volume turned up a whopping 915 million shares exchanged hands on Friday. Day's play today is a SP play. This one's in and out, grab and go, one and move, hit and run. Do not overstay your welcome. HKPD, the stock is up 78% thus far in the pre. Currently trading at $1.80 at the recording of this video. Higher day thus far in the pre, $2.18. If this one stays above $1.13, that's a sign of strength. There's no news out, but we just riding price action. This one's in the healthcare space, and their headquarters out of Hong Kong. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 11 million. They have a teeny tiny float of just 3 million. This one could gyrate a lot. 68% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. 0.47% of the float are held by insiders. 0.47% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 2% of the float. Shorts. This is HKPD. Their price per sale is 0.54. Their 200-day moving average is $1.48. 21 million in revenues. Their revenue per share 2.32. Quarterly revenue growth is up 58%. They have 4 million in gross profit. Let me say that one more time. 4 million in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 2.4 million. 2 million in net income. The quarterly earnings growth is up 233% year over year. Let me repeat that. Quarterly earnings growth is up 233% year over year. Earnings is what propels a stock upwards. They have a total cash of 365k and a total debt of 2 million. Current ratio is sitting above par. Current ratio is at 2 times par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 2.46. The company's cash flow positive. Operating cash flow is a positive 443k. HKPD. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, boom. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well, trade responsibly, set your stop losses, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care of yourselves. Sunday's stock list. In today's video, I have 2 plays for you to put on stock this coming week. Let's delve right into it. The first one is SXTC. SXTC closed down 23% on Friday at $1.20. This one is a BP play. That's the acronym for bounce play. There were no news in particular on Friday. Volume turned up 4 million, compare and contrast to their average volume of 4.5 million. SXTC has spikeability. For example, April 22nd, the stock skyrocketed from $1 all the way to $3.22. Volume was 115 million on that day. In conjunction to that, February 24th through February 25th, stock spiked from 34 cents all the way to $5.27. This one's in the healthcare space and their headquarters out of China. And you already know the reputation of the Chinese stocks. They have a propensity to spike for days. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 17 million. They have a teeny tiny float of just 488k SXTC. 0.14% of the float are held by insiders. 0.03% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 1.52% of the float.
Shorts.
Their price per sale is 0.32. Their 50-day moving average, $2.34. Their profit margin is a positive 319%. Let me say that one more time. Their profit margin is up 319%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 18%. ROE, return on equity, is a positive 58%. SXTC, let's continue. They have 2 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 6.52. 400k in gross profit. Gross profit, 400k. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 6.79 million. Their net income is 6 million. They have a total cash of 19 million in hand and a total debt of 9 million. Their current ratio is sitting just above par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 1.4. Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 3.2 million in free cash flow. SXTC. Let's move on to stock number 2.